today I'd like to share with you our Convert to CSV connector for ABBYY Vantage. Now this is a fairly simple concept that you'll see in front of us here. I have a process skill. The process skill will monitor an email box. We'll then classify the incoming document, extract the metadata from the document. We will then convert the metadata that we've extracted to a CSV format, which in today's demo will then just get emailed back to us so that we can have that as something we can consume downstream. And then that's considered the last stage of the document here. Now, what we do with the CSV is really up to your organization. Our goal is to convert the document to CSV. We can do anything you want with it. Today's demo, I'm going to show it getting emailed. In real life, we may pass that to another system or another downstream step. So a lot of flexibility in the way that we use this step. But for today's demo, I just wanted to share with you that we can convert the metadata we've extracted off of this document to CSV format. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and create an email that the software will then monitor the email box. It will pick it up, convert the document to CSV, and then provide us an email of that CSV. All right, so I have an email that is ready to be pulled within our CSV folder. So ABBYY Vantage will pull this document when it's ready. It will automatically process the document, and then we will use our CSV connector to pass that over through CSV format to an email. All right, we can see there that ABBYY Vantage has picked up the document that we sent into that email folder. It is now in processing. Once again, I'll remind you, it will go through this step where it pulled it from the document that we just saw. It will then classify, extract, convert it to CSV, and then provide us an output. Now the output, I actually just received the email. You can see here it's simply an email with a CSV. All of this is configurable. If you did want to receive the document through email, we could obviously customize the subject, the to, the body, etc. But the more important part here is that we now have the extracted data off of the document in CSV format, so we can consume this downstream by a downstream step. So it's a very simple process, but one that's very critical to processing a document and its extracted metadata. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any questions on the connector, please reach out to us. We would love to chat with you about different ways that you can use our Convert to CSV connector for ABBYY Vantage. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, would you do me a favor and click the like button, the subscribe button, and even click that notification bell so that you can be notified when we post new videos. Thank you.